Huh?
And we got a son and we're just trying to do good.
You have a son? Where's your son at?
At his mom's? I don't.
Where's that at? What's the address? So who's taking care of your kid while you guys are out here using?
924 Demarest.
Exactly,
The male
dude.
that's beating on a female on the floor.
I just want to be there with him.
Well, you can't be there like this.
Bleeding. 24
You're...
Hi, there are two individuals hanging out at an abandoned house. I'm not usually worried about it, but they look like they're probably on heroin. One guy's kind of like walking around, writhing his arms around and stuff. I'm just a little worried that he might overdose or something.
Hey, you're on camera. You're not supposed to be back here anyway, so stop. Hey! Stop! Stop! Come here.
Where's your guy at?
She's still giving him her stuff.
I just met him.
You just met him?
Yeah.
You know you guys are supposed to be back here.
Like, I know.
Like we know. Like we know you know.
What are you guys doing back here?
190.
Not,
Sexy.
16.
no, that's not ours. That's been back there.
There's no plastic baggie for dope. Is it yours shoved in here right where
No,
you were
we
at?
just- No?
We sure?
Yeah?
You don't have anything else on you? Nothing.
Yep.
You're not smoking or doing anything? What's your burn on your lip from?
The burn on my lip.
Smoking
it
a glass
dirt?
pipe?
I just don't know.
You're not very good at not knowing what the truth is. That's the problem we're running into right now.
Like, it could be dirt.
It could be.
Probably
It could
not,
be the
but
fact that your dude left you hanging because he saw us coming too.
Like, that's not mine.
Okay. What's your name?
Is the bag yours?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Riley?
Riley what?
Dude, you can't...
Don't lie. You get one free chance to tell the truth, okay?
All right, hey, Riley.
Okay, I'm a recovering cover guy.
Okay.
We don't
You
care
got
about
your
that.
cut off
But
in your
here's
hand, Riley.
the issue is...
No,
And that's the bank card that doesn't belong to you.
this is my brother.
Come here and sit down.
Sit down for us.
Come here and sit down. Let me just tell you this is how this is going to go, okay?
No, like, listen.
No, listen to me. You get one free shot, Riley, to tell us the truth of who you are.
I'm Riley.
What's your last name?
Dude,
Okay, what's your date of birth?
154.
One free chance to tell us the truth.
July-
If you lie, you get charged with falsification, so just be honest.
this stuff in here is not mine.
Well, I don't
July
understand.
I'm a recovering cover.
Okay. What's your social, Riley?
I get nervous and stuff.
Okay.
I don't know my social.
Okay. What are you going to have a warrant for? How about that?
Huh?
Is it something major? You're going to have a felony warrant, or is it just a misdemeanor? Relax.
Just chill out. Just
If it's a minor
just talk.
misdemeanor type situation, we might be able to get you a court date, but I need to know what I'm looking for, okay? So what am I going to find when we run you? You got a murder charge?
No.
You got burglary, robbery?
I got a seatbelt ticket.
Oh, nobody cares.
We can get you
Stop.
a new court date for that, Riley. That's what I
Riley.
just told you.
Take
Okay.
a breath. How old are you? How old are you?
Yeah.
Okay, listen. You're 22. Okay,
Whatever.
I need you to breathe. And why are you crying?
Because I got a lot going on. I'm homeless.
Who cares? Nobody cares if you have a little warrant. It's just a seatbelt ticket.
Go ahead.
Are you a murderer?
Another call here, Ryan.
Okay, so stop. You don't have anything to be worried about.
I copy the juvenile felon live with us tab.
Let me tell you this. I'm going to be honest with you. If you were a wanted felon, you would go to jail regardless of your crying. If you're not a wanted felon, you're going to sit here and cry regardless, and then you're going to go on with yourself and walk down the street. So you can stop crying now, or you can keep crying, but you're not going to jail unless you're a wanted felon.
I'm just nervous because I do got stuff in my
108, he does
bag,
live there.
but they're not mine.
What is it? Whose is it?
Copy.
Is it his?
No,
Let me see.
it's my friend. She wanted me to hold on to it for her.
Okay, well, can I look?
But you guys are probably thinking of mine anyway.
I don't think so. Can I look?
like I've been outside all day. Like,
Let me look.
this bag's hers.
Okay.
This bag's mine.
This is hers.
Yeah?
Oh, well, it's not that bad, Riley. Do you have, like, a bunch of dope in here?
No.
Well, who cares?
You guys are just saying that stuff like
Look at me.
I'm not a bad person.
Everything I do is recorded. I'm not going to lie to you. Why would I lie to you? That's going to make me look like a bad person, right? Yes.
And the only reason why I'm moving like this is because I've been up.
You've been up for a long time. You've
I've been walking.
shooting.
No,
Yeah, there's uncapped needles in here, girl. Here, close
that's
this
my
up.
friend.
What's in there?
This one's mine, and it barely has anything in it.
Okay. Can you stop crying for me? That's what I would like you to do. Stop
Like,
crying.
I'm sorry.
Stop crying. That's all I want you to do. Stop crying. Listen to me. I'm an honest person. Okay? If I were going to take you to jail, I'll tell you right now. Okay? This is to what I just tell you. Are you a wanted felon? If you are a wanted felon, which you're not, you could cry yourself right into my car. If you're not a wanted felon and you have a little ticket, then you can sit here and you can cry or you can stop crying. But crying is not going to get you out of anything, is what I'm trying to tell you, okay? However,
That's your seatbelt.
there you go. See, it doesn't matter. So why are you crying over nothing?
Because I've been crying all day.
He broke the window.
You come here.
I'm exhausted.
Come here, man. Why'd you leave your girl hanging? Come over here.
Years old, long blonde hair, black shirt, black pants.
And he's all I got.
Well, why did he leave you if he's all you got? He bailed on you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. You straight bailed on your girl. Huh?
That's like my sister.
Is your sister?
Yeah,
What's your name, man?
Why'd you bail on her?
I did.
You did. Sit down,
I'm
too,
coming back.
please. Sit down.
Uh,
Sit down, please. Don't sit on the boards, on the nails.
Don't put a nail in you. What's
Sit
your
down.
name, man?
Terry.
you already got
Who?
shot.
Terry.
Terry?
Yeah, T-R-Y.
Clean it up. Stop
Terry,
crying.
what's your
There's no
last name?
reason for it, girl.
What is it?
You're not going anywhere. Just stop.
W-I-R-T-Z.
Okay, tell me. Let me do this. Why are you crying? Tell me why.
What's your date of birth, Terry?
Tell me
Because
why you're
I'm just
crying.
worried about my brother.
Man.
He's fine.
Terry, do you know your social?
We're close friends.
All right.
Is he your brother or no?
No.
Okay. You're not going to jail. Do you prostitute out here?
No.
Okay, that's good. I was gonna get you help if you did. But
Can I
listen,
get this off me?
clean it up.
Like,
Let me just tell you this. Look, you guys are a mess, okay? You, how much meth have you used, dude? Because you are a mess, right?
you only did one shot.
What do you guys need? What can we do to make it better? Because you're both a little, like a little busy right now, okay?
I've just been thirsty, hungry.
But look at all that paraphernalia in your bag, girl. What's your name? So I can talk to you properly. What's your first name?
Right?
Riley? Okay. Riley. You got a whole bag full of paraphernalia. You say it's not yours.
Oil though.
I know. And there are needles uncapped in there that nobody wants stuck with, okay?
Honestly, I didn't know what was in that bag. That is my friend's bag.
What I'm telling you is that
But
if...
I got stuck with it.
Yeah, but so this is what I'm going to tell you. You better find better friends and find out what they're giving you in the meantime. Because if you had a boatload of dope in there, nobody's going to believe it's not your bag. I'm just being honest with you.
Like, why is people being nosy?
Because you're out here on a placarded house where you shouldn't be.
No, this isn't.
And we're not going to write you for that today, but we should. But we're not.
Rated at 9101.
And we just got his son.
Huh?
And we got his son and we're just trying to do good.
You have a son? Where's your son at?
At his mom's?
Rated
I
at
don't.
9101.
Where's that at? What's the address?
You got what?
So who's taking care of your kid while you guys are out here using?
924 Demarest.
exactly,
The male
dude.
that's beating on a female on the
I
floor.
just wanna be there with him.
Well, you can't be there like this.
Bleeding. 24
You're a mess, girl. You can't be around a baby like this. You either, sir.
I'm just aiming at where to go.
Hey, Terry, I need you to stand up for me.
Yeah.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah,
Fingers together for me.
Just stand still,
Where
okay?
the fuck am I gonna go?
What's he got?
He's got theft and
Oh.
something. I mean,
Yeah,
not
they
sure,
let me
but
go last
You're-
time.
Okay, like I
You
said,
probably will get let go again,
You're
okay?
both detained because you both have warrants right now.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah,
just
she
got to
has
work
a-
on maybe about getting a court date or
Yeah,
something.
she has a seatbelt ticket.
Well,
We
listen,
know.
it's no
She
big
told
deal.
us.
We'll get you a court
I
date.
didn't know.
I've been to jail
Yeah.
before.
I got-
It's that.
Hey, Riley, we're going to work on getting you a court date so you don't have to be in jail tonight, okay?
You good?
All right.
Watch that guy standing behind you when you go over there.
He was
Now,
watching when
I got
out,
her.
too.
Her brother.
You're fine.
And sisters are.
Let's try to get you a new court date and then get you guys out of here if we can.
And there's a bank in this pocket, but that's
Tobacco and Zanny,
yeah. Her
In here?
and this one.
her sister is
Uh-huh.
her payee.
Yeah, my
That's
sister's
why
my
they're-
payee.
They're cards.
Well, whose Zanny is this?
Oh no, I've been wearing other people's clothes. I ain't had none. That's all I got.
What's
Money.
sister's name?
It's Lindsay and Austin.
What's last name?
What's this?
Mhm.
What?
What's Nisky?
Wisniewski?
Oh my god. Oh.
Ready to 91 at
I
1.
know. Oh.
Go ahead. You're getting another call on it saying the girlfriend's daughter's
What did we take, Terry?
What is it?
What are we on?
Math.
Male white.
Honestly, you can't get in trouble for being in your
clothing
system.
description From
Yeah.
this caller.
Meth.
What are you on?
Heroin.
Meth and
Or
heroin.
just heroin or some other stuff?
I just heroin.
No meth?
Uh,
Okay. Just took a little bit. How long ago?
It's been days. I
I don't think it's been a day.
That's normally the side effect for.
I've been
he
working
doesn't
on
have no sleep.
Well, that's that I'm on. All right, let's step back to have a
Just go sit there so he can get you some paperwork.
You got shot. That sounds terrible. Let's go have you have a seat so you're off this leg. How about that?